Hello, children! Today we are going to read a wonderful story with the title Wonderful Winter. Danes bomo prisluhnili prečudoviti zgodbici z naslovom Wonderful Winter. First, tell me, do you like winter? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like snow? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Tell me, what color is the snow? Is it pink? No. Is it purple? No, it's white. What are you wearing in winter? Are you wearing a swimsuit? Nosiš po zimi kopalke? No. Try. I'm wearing a hat, a jacket, a scarf. Look at me. I'm wearing a red jacket, a green scarf, a white and red mittens. What else? I'm wearing brown shoes. Good. What are you wearing? Kaj pa ti? Kaj se ti oblečem po zimi? Before we start, let's take a look at some words. Preden prisluhnemo zgodbici, si oglejmo nekaj besed. So he's cold. He's cold. Temu gospodu je mraz. He's warm. Njemu je pa lepo, prijetno, toplo. So cold, warm. To že poznamo. These are snowflakes. Snowflakes. Repeat after me. Snowflakes. Oh, this is a snowman. Look. He's got hat. He's got eyes. He's got nose. He's got scarf. And he's got 3 buttons. Tell me, what color is his hat? What color are his eyes? What color is his nose? What color is his scarf? And what color are his buttons? Great job. Now this is a sledge. A sledge. And these 2 boys are sledging. Se sankata sledging. This girl is making snow angels. Do you make snow angels? Tudi ti kdaj izdeluješ angelčke v snegu? This boy blows a kiss to this girl. Blow a kiss pomeni, da je poslal tile deklici poljubček. This girl is ice skating. Ice skating. And it's very slippery. Se zelo drsi. Slippery. Ooh, do you know what these are? These are marshmallows. Marshmallows, takšne penice. Pri nas niso tako zelo popularne, v Angliji, v Ameriki pa so. In sicer takšne penice lahko jih jedo same kot bombone, to jih tudi mi tukaj jemo. Največkrat pa si jih malce popečejo na ognju, tiste so malce drugače, ali pa si dajo v kakav. Hot cocoa, you see, with marshmallows. Listen to the story, put it on YouTube. Klikni na povezavo, prisluhni zgodbi. Now listen the story once again. Še enkrat prisluhni mojemu branju. Winter has arrived. Brr, it's cold outside. So winter is here. Prišla je zima, zunaj je zelo mrzlo. It's time to bundle up. Put on a coat and pull up the zipper. Čas je, da se močno oblečemo. Obleči se jakno in si jo tudi zapni. Oh, nice and warm. But what are you forgetting? Lepo toplo, ampak kaj smo pa pozabili? That's right, a hat, a scarf, mittens and boots. Še res, kapo, šal, rokavičke in škornje. Now we are ready to go outside. Open the door. Zdaj smo pripravljeni, da gremo ven. Odprimo vrata. It's snowing. Touch the falling snowflakes. How many can you count? Tell me how many. Are they 5? No. Is there just one snowflake? No. Count them. Preštej jih. Let's build a snowman. Give him eyes, a nose, a mouth and 2 arms. Naredimo snežaka. Naredimo mu oči, nos, usta in roke. All done. Wave hello to the snowman. Pa smo končali. Pomahajte mu. Now we'll go sledging. Pull your sledge up the hill. Zdaj se gremo pa sankati. Ready? Sit down and hold on tight. Pripravljen? Usedi se in se dobro primi. That was fast. To je bilo hitro. Let's make snow angels. Don't forget to move your arms and legs. Naredimo angelčke v snegu. Ne pozabi premikati rok in nog. Those are great angels. Blow each one a kiss. Čudoviti angelčki so nastali. Pošlji jim poljubčka. Now let's go ice skating. Slide your finger around the ice. Pa se pojdimo drsati. That's slippery. To pa je zelo spolzko. All that fun has made us hungry. What's for dinner? Vsa ta zabava nas je pripeljala do velike lakote. Kaj pa za večerjo? Alphabet soup. To je abecedna juha. What letters do you see? What word can you spell? Katere črke vidiš? Mogoče prepoznaš kakšno besedo, v angleščini seveda. Now some hot cocoa for dessert. Tap the white marshmallows. Sedaj pa še vroč kakav za sladico. Let's drink it by the warm fire, nice and cozy. We can dream about all our winter fun. Popimo ga zraven toplega kamina. Sedaj lahko malce sanjamo o vsej tej zimski zabavi. And wait for spring to arrive. In počakamo, da pride pomlad. Do you like the story? Ti je bila zgodba všeč? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now I've got an interesting exercise for you. Zate imam zanimivo nalogo. So, what you have to do? You have to choose one activity. You can either take a sledge and go sledging. You can make a snowman. You can go ice skating. You can eat a soup. Or you can drink hot cocoa. Izbrati si moraš eno aktivnost iz zgodbice in za nalogo to tudi narediti. Lahko se greš sankat, drsat, izdelaš snežaka, poješ krožnik juhe ali pa popiješ vroč kakav. Izberi si in za domačo nalogo to tudi naredi. Tretješolca, vaju pa čaka še nekaj. So, you can sit down and read this story. Vidva pa si izberita del tele zgodbe, 2-3 strani in malce povadita v branje. Bo šlo, kaj ne da? That's all for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.